Good morning once again, everyone. This is Bailey from Cat on the Prowl Creations, and I am going to do a yarn unboxing. I finally got my orders this week from Lion Brand and from Mary Maxim. Some of this I'm going to be using in a cowl that Lady Bird loves. Lisa, you know her. Lady Bird loves. Come on, y'all know her. We'll be starting in October. I have other ones. I'm not going to reveal them all, but some of this was ordered so that I would be able to use them in that cowl. She's starting on in October, I should say. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to start with the first box here because it's smaller. I have not opened it yet. This is what I received from Lion Brand. It cleared. Woohoo! Yay, yay, yay. And now I'm going to actually open it because I was waiting to do this till I had some proper light and I was able to show it off. So, invoices are always good. Ta-da. Not that they have any prices on it, but at least it tells me what I ordered. And at least it cleared, and on the back of it, it's the return policy. So this is what I ordered from Lion Brand. I ordered, oh, and something tells me I'm not going to be sorry. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let me make sure. 222 and 2. Yes. Okay. So this is 5 ounces of 100% acrylic worsted 4 in the color Voyageur, and it is the Lion Brand Heartland yarn. Did I say the color? Yes, I did. It's called Voyageur. Now it's kind of like looking grayish in the camera. I'm not quite sure, but it really is a very beautiful blue in color. It's a very, it's like a grayish blue. Very pretty. It's premium acrylic, it says, and it's 251 yards per ball. So I got 2 of those. And then, I'm going to save those for last. Okay. And then I went and I bought, because I have recently acquired a shawl made by Jill at Fiber Floozy Crafts in an auction that was held for Noodly Bits to help incur costs of funeral, etc. And the balance was going over. And I fell in love with the yarn that I saw in the shawls. So what I did was I went ahead and I had ordered a couple myself. This is the jeans yarn. This is in the colorway Faded. It is classified as a 4, and it is a 246 yards per 3.5 ounce ball. So I ordered 2 in the Faded. Aren't these gorgeous? These are just like really pretty. I might have to order some more. I'm like really seriously. All right, so I ordered 2 in the Faded. And then I ordered 2 in the Stonewash Same specs, guys. 3.5 ounces, 246 yards. Classified as a 4. This is the color Stonewash. I'm not sure if you're really picking up on that. Really nice, but it's just like really, really, really pretty. So I got 2 of those. So 2 of those, 2 in the faded, 2 Heartlands. And then I went and I spoiled myself. And I bought myself 2 date night yarns. This is called Lapis. It is 273 yards per ball. It is 82% acrylic. Oh my gosh. I'm really not joking. I think I need to get my glasses changed because this is getting to be very, very bad. And, all right. So, and 18% polyester. Forgive me, man. I'm telling you. So this is the color Lapis. It is absolutely gorgeous. And this is, you're not doing it any justice. The color, nope. I guess this way would be the best or the truest to color. It is like a cross between, I'm gonna say like it is a bluish, sort of bluish kind of color. It's very, very pretty. And it's got some nice sparkle in it. Beautiful sparkle. So I'm really looking forward to using some of this. So that's it for my Lion Brand order. And then my Mary Maxim order came, oh Lord. In this box. So I'm just gonna put it down on the floor and I'm gonna pull it out as we go and I am going to open it because I am excited about this one. It's the first time I've ever ordered from Mary Maxim and it's mainly because they carry yarn that I can't find here because we just don't have Mary Maxims here. Wow. All right, let me put dangerous tools away. So here is my, oh, and they even give me my price. Whoa. Ooh. Saying thank you for your order. Ta-da! Yay, that really helps with keeping things. What else have they sent me here? Canadian Step. Oh, okay. It's an advertisement for Step in Tubs. I could probably use one of those. Ooh, Harry Potter Village. And that's for you, Lisa. These are all coming from the Bradford Exchange. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. These are things coming from the Bradford Exchange, so I don't know if they have affiliates to the Bradford Exchange, but some of them are really pretty. My one and only love. Canadian Pride 4 masks. I have enough masks. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is too cute. Look at this is so adorable. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna have to order it. I'm gonna have to order this guy. Oh my gosh. He is just so cute. Wow. Wow. He is adorable. Oh my gosh, I need that. I don't really need it, but I gotta get it. I gotta have it. I gotta have it. I gotta have it. Not a need. I definitely want it. Oh my gosh, I want this. Okay. I'm gonna have to save up for that guy. Let's put you guys over here and my invoice away. And let's get started unboxing this baby. Let's start. Oh. For my future giveaways. OMG, OMG, OMG. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God. This looks so beautiful. This looks beautiful. This looks beautiful. Beautiful. So I had gone and I had ordered, let's see, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 1. Right, okay, that was the surprise, the Everyday Yarn Surprise Package. I ordered one of those, and let's see if I can find the right, whoops, this one came with the, came off. Which one is this? Okay, so I ordered 3 of these. So I bought myself some Prism yarn because I have seen the way these have been working up in shawls and I just fell in love with it. It is a 3-weight. It is 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 100% acrylic, 290 yards, made in Turkey, and it is classified as a 3. And I would agree with that. It's a nice 3. And like I said, this is the color, gosh, a Blue Lagoon. So I ordered 3 Blue Lagoons. That's 1. Would be really nice if it was, nope. 1, where'd the other ones go? 1, 2, come on, come on, come on. 2. Wish they would have separated this a little bit better. Where's the 3rd one? Where are you? And 3. There you are. There's my 3. So that's 1, 2, whoops, and 3. In Blue Lagoon. Oops. Then I ordered 2, same classifications, different colors. This one is called Surfside, and where are you? Where'd the second one go? Nope, that's not it. Where's my second ball of Surfside? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, folks. I ordered 2. I ordered 2 Surfsides. I only have 1 here. Unless the other one is buried, I'll just put that on the side for now, and we'll see if I can find the other one. But this is the color Surfside. Aren't these beautiful? These are like just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I'm going to see if I can find the other one as I'm going through this box. Then I have Iris. Oh, there's my other Surfside. Doesn't look the same. It doesn't look the same. Maybe just round differently. But there's my second Surfside. Okay. That's why I couldn't find it. But the colors are the same, just wound differently. Alright, so there's 2 Surfsides. Then I ordered 2 Iris. These colors, they're just really, really pretty. So I ordered 2 in the Iris. This is called Autumn Mist. And these colors are really, really pretty. I am sure that this camera is not doing it any justice whatsoever, but they're beautiful. So that's the Autumn Mist. So that's it for the Prism yarns. Then I ordered some Mellow Spun DK. It's 70% acrylic, 30% nylon, 174 yards, made in Turkey. And this is classified as a 3, and the color is called a dark teal. Yes, dark teal. It's just beautiful, beautiful color. I love the color teals. So I got 2 of those. And then I bought 2 in the color Dark Aqua. And what is that? Oh, they sent me 3 Iris? Yes, they did. I'm sorry, I got 3 Iris, not 2. My mistake. See, I have to pay attention to what I ordered. Then I got 2 in the color. Where is my color? My color. My color is a light aqua. So these are just really pretty, and they're really nice and soft, actually. Very squishy. It is classified as a 3. I'm going to say it's a nice 3. So I bought different colors in that one. Oh, look at that. Oh. And then finally what I did was I had ordered one of their Everyday Yarn Surprise boxes. So, this is what I got in that box, which is not a box, it's really a bag. Oh. Wow, that's actually a good deal. I'm just gonna throw that back because there's some like falling all over the place, guys. Sorry. I don't want it on my floor. Picking up cat hair. Because then I'll be upset. Alright. 2, and there we go. Alright, so let me just get that out of the way and let's just see what I got in this surprise bag. Look at this. Look at this, guys. For $39. Wow. Let's see what they gave me in here. Let us see what they included in this wonderful little tote bag. Let's see. Okay, they included with this order. Ooh, nice. Crochet market bag with the free pattern on the back. A fun and games bag. These look cute with the pattern on the back. A fruit cozies. Huh. Sorry about that. I should have put that on. Do not disturb. Fruit cozies with the pattern on back. These are kind of neat. They sent me a bunch of... Wow. And then the last one is called the Crochet Spa Day Kit. Look at that. That would make a really nice Christmas present for somebody. Oh my gosh. And of course, all the instructions are attached. This is amazing. Wow, I'm impressed. That's really awesome. I love that. I love that. All right, let's get to seeing what they've given to me here in this box. All right, so I have received 2 balls of a medium 4 sugar and cream, cotton, lily cotton. It is 2 ounces. This is the colorway Fruit Punch. Punch of fruit. Fruit punch, a punch of fruit. Ha 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 ha. So, fruit punch. So I got 2 of these. I'm going to try to get rid of what I got 2 of first. Okay, I think just 1 of those. Okay. 1 of these, which is to make, it's amigurumi yarn. Oof, okay. 3, it's a 3 weight. It's a very late 3, but I can work with that. Okay. And this is in the color, which is very difficult to get at because I'm gonna have to pull it out. Whoops. This is in the color, oh my goodness, no color. It's just a dye lot. Y2701250. Whatever that is. And it is 51% acrylic, 48% cotton. So I got 1 of these in this color. And I'm thinking this is the same. Yep. This is too cute. These are cute. I I'm gonna have fun making some stuff. This is already giving me ideas. Any guesses, anybody? All right, so there's 2 of those. Then I believe there's 2 of these. Perfection yarn. Classified as a bulky 5. Oops, everything just went tumbling. Oh my gosh. It is classified as a bulky 5. The color is a blue-gray combo. Made in China. Machine wash in warm water. Using gentle cycle, do not bleach. For best results, of course, hand wash, lay flat to dry. So I received 2 of these. Did I give you the yardage? I'm not sure what I did. 164 yards. So there's 2 of those, of which some fell on the floor. Okay, I'm sorry. Forgive the top of my head, everybody. Oh, sorry. So sorry. So sorry. Come on, get up here. You stay there. And you stay there. And you stay here already. All right, so then I received, I'm going to keep that on the floor because I think it's safer. Then they gave me 2 in this color, which is, the color is red. So I got 2 of those, also classified as a 5. This is really, really nice, actually, acrylic. 100% acrylic. Yep, 2 of those in red. Then I received, ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so soft. All right, this is 90% acrylic, 10% cashmere. Wow. Classified as a medium 4. It's a 3.5 ounce ball of yarn, 219 yards. The color is called Portobello. Portobello. Touch of cashmere. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm really, really, really liking this box, this bag. Wow, this is gorgeous. This is also made by Lion Brand. Okay. Oh, sorry. Then, of course, I got 2 of these ones also, Perfection Yarns, which is the 5 in color black. My favorite color. Not that it's classified as a color, but it's still my favorite color. And then they sent me 2 balls of, this is a little scratchy, but let's see what it's made of. 100% Bosselin. I have no idea what Bosselin is. Bosselin is a performance fiber designed for an affinity to skin. It's breathability, elasticity, and bulking. Great for all types of knitting projects. This is in the color black. It is classified as a bulky 5. And it is 100 meters. So that's what that looks like. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Wow. And then they sent me, let's see, are these both the same? Yes, they are. Okay, well, I know what you use these for. It's pretty much in the title, don't you think? Scrub it. Scrub it. Maybe I'll make some dishcloths and send them to Carrie. Classified as a 4, and this is in the color Summer. It's called Summer. Almost looks like watermelon. Kind of cool. I'll see what I can whip up for you, Carrie, with that. So I got 2 of those. Wow, this is like really an amazing deal for $39.99. Wow. Then they gave me 2 balls of Patton's Shetland Chunky. This is called Blue Jeans Variegated. It's classified as a bulky 5. It is 3.5 ounces. It is 75% acrylic, 25% wool. $100. It doesn't made in Turkey. Where's the yardage? Does it give you yardage? It doesn't give you yardage. It doesn't give you yardage. It just tells you it's 3.5 ounces. So anyways, so they sent 2 of these. Interesting. That too will make a nice hat. So, Patton's Shetland Chunky. It's not terrible. As Crystal would say, it's scarfable. Yep. So, 2 of those. Wow. I'm not finished yet, guys. Wow. Cotton. 70% cotton, 30% polyester in the color denim. It is 400 grams. Wow. 400 grams. I don't know what that comes out to in yardage, but that's like, or is it hidden here? No, it's not hidden. Cotton. That's actually not a bad cotton. That's not a bad cotton. Care instructions: machine wash in warm water, 30 degrees. Using gentle cycle, do not bleach, but for best results, hand wash and lay flat to dry. This is called rich cotton. And the color, like I said, is the color denim. Wow. Well, I'm going to have some fun with that. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. That's really pretty, guys. That's really nice. 2 more. In the color white. Actually, they're calling it bath. Color bain. En français, bain means bath. I'm going to say white. And it is called Grundel. Yeah, I'm not even going to try. Anyways, it's called Big Lisa Premium. Now, if any of you out there are German and you want to read that off to me and tell me how you would pronounce that, go right ahead. I'm good with that. Grundel. So I received 1 of these. Everything is use only yarns with the same lot number. Made in Germany. Wow. And it's 100% polyacryl. Which is an acrylica, whatever, mix. But it's really soft. And I'm going to say that that is definitely a 3-weight, guys. A lighter 3, but definitely a 3-weight. So, very, very pretty. And then, last but not least, wow, that's everything I got in that surprise bag. Ooh. Ooh, I've never had this one either. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. This is classified as a 4-weight. It is an 8.8 ounce ball, 100% acrylic, 466 yards. The color is celery, and it is made in Turkey, and it's 100% acrylic. It's got a halo on it. That's kind of nice. Red Heart Dreamy. And that is the color celery. That's pretty awesome because I didn't have very many greens, so this is amazing that I would get some of these things in these colors. Wow. I am really, really happy with this, what they call the Everyday Yarn Surprise Package for $39.99. Everything that I just showed you outside of the prisms and the heartline, it is, wow. I'm sorry, the prisms and the ultramel. This is what came in that surprise bag for $39.99. What a deal. Seriously, what a deal. I have a box of yarn here. Wow. I best get cracking. Oh, I forgot. I also got this. Oh. I love doing amigurumi stuff. I do. I'm going to have to go out and buy some more polyfill. And it gives you, oh my gosh, the instructions on how to make it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm going to assume that this is part of something here. Please tell me it's part of something. Round three. Ah, okay. Yes, it's part of it. Round 3. Okay. Isn't he cute? So, everybody, that's it for my Mary Maxim and my Line Brand order. I am really happy with what I received and what I ordered. I can't wait to use some of it and share whatever it is that I'm going to make with it. So for now, I'm going to end this video. And I am going to do a cat on the prowl right over to Carrie's site. Because that's just what I do. I'm a cat on the prowl. In the meantime, everybody, God bless. Have a blessed, wonderful weekend. Stay blessed. Stay safe. Stay inspired. And stay crocheting. Just for the love of it. All right. Bye, everybody.